Eli and his sons were not good people. They were men prostitutes at the temple. And so they thought when they can just took the Ark of Covenant and bring it into the war, the Lord's presence will bring them in victory. But this is not true. The fact that the Lord Almighty, you want to bring Him in the presence when you walk in perversion or when you walk in any unrighteousness, don't dare to think that you will win the war. Because they tried it, and then this Ark of Covenant was stolen from Shiloh, and the Lord departed that day from Shiloh. And so the word came to Eli and said, Eli, you're not going to make it because you don't want to repent, you and your sons. So the war broke out, and at that day where the Ark of Covenant was stolen by the Philistines, at that very same day, Eli died, Hophni and Phinehas died, and Phinehas' wife was in labor. She delivered a child, she died, all in one day. So she called that baby name Ichabod, and Ichabod means the glory of the Lord departure.